Hey everybody. Okay, friends, get ready. We are going to have some fun with some Dollar Tree and Dollar General oven mitts. Super exciting. Let me just say this though. The first two, awesome. I love them. But the last one is my absolute favorite. So stick around to the end so you can see that one. I love it. Mwah. Chef's kiss for me. Anyways. Oh, and hey, by the way, I'm Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, let's get to the projects. All right, so here's an oven mitt. I got it from Dollar General. We're going to cut the bottom and the little thumb part off. Then I'm using a tapestry needle and I'm lacing on some jute. And we're going to just lace the jute all on the bottom just to close the bottom. Now I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be a little challenging to get this needle through, but if you just separate the two pieces of the oven mitt and just kind of pull on one and then the other, it's much easier. And you're going to go all the way across the bottom. Now you could be fancy schmancy and make, and go all the way back and make X's, but I'll be honest with you, I couldn't make that work. I think that I just lost interest after after trying to do this all the way across because it did take a little bit of effort, but I think it looks super cool. So, but you could certainly use any yarn or floss, probably would get it through the fabric much easier. But see, there we go. It's all the way across. Ta-da! And then all I'm going to do is sneak that jute back up through, I'll go in between one of the laces or see how I'm doing it here. I'm just finding a little hole and I'm putting it through and then we're just going to pull through and then just cut the excess jute off. I make it sound so simple. You know what? Listen, I'm going to tell you, I know somebody's going to be watching this and they're going to be like, why would she do it like this? Listen, I do all my projects on the fly. I'll do the project and then later go, oh, I probably should have done it this way. Listen, love me through it, right? But there it is. Ta-da! And look you could fit a can in this. I'm not kidding. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to use mine. I don't know if I'm going to use it with a can, but this way it enables you to be able to put like a real plant in it. Now I had gotten this little garland from Dollar General as well. By the way, they were all on sale and it had a little tag on the back and a tassel. So I removed the tag and I put 2 holes on the sides where we would put a hanger. Now, again, this is where another one of those, why did she do it like that, comes in. I should have probably done it differently, but whatever. I added some jute, like a loop of it, just so that we could tie the garland onto the jute. And I did that on both sides. So is it the ideal way? No, it isn't, but that's okay. Then I just added a little knot to that little tag just so it looks like it's gotten, so it's not a raw hole. And again, if you wanted to put that can in there, you could. It fits quite nicely. Look at how cute, right? And then if you hang it, like super cute, like quit it. That's super cute. But I didn't. I just added some flowers. Again, these are from Dollar General and they were all on sale. So I added my florals. Then I put a little glue on the back of my little Simply Blessed tag and then added that to the top and stop. Like, look at how cute this is. I think it's adorable. It reminds me of a little kid going out and collecting wildflowers for their parent. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but whatever. I think it's adorable. All right, so we're going to start by dismantling our oven mitt. And so all I did was snip at the seam. And really, once you snip a little bit of it, you could actually just tear it. You'll see I didn't get hip to that until I was halfway cutting it and then realized, I could have just tore it. Whatever. Live and learn, right, friends? But now you know, and you don't have to live through that. Yay! Anyway, so I again just get it to the I suppose you don't have to take it all the way apart, but I didn't want that center seam to mess me up, so I took it all the way apart. All right, then I have this little wooden star. You could use any size. You could even use a cookie cutter, and I trace out the stars. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I thought I was being slick by doing it on the inside. I cut out my star, and I messed it up. Darn it all. So then I cut it out. I traced and cut out on the red side, on the right side, and much better. So see, that's what it looks like. So whatever side you want facing out, trace on that side and cut out on that side. Does that make sense? But we're going to fix it. It's going to be okay. I have a bamboo skewer. I put some glue on the red part that I messed up. when cutting, I put the glue on, I put my bamboo skewer on, and then see, we're going to put them right sides together, and it's going to be like a cute little, I don't know, quilted off-white kind of junky looking star, and I'm there for it. But listen, it was better than throwing it away. So there it is. How cute, right? All right, so this is how I do the other stars. This is so silly simple. I love it. I put the glue down, and I kind of roll my bamboo skewer in the glue, and then I put the top piece on, and then I peel back the layers and I just glue so that we can sandwich them and keep them together. Now listen, again, these are primitive stars. If you are looking for some put together, really, not primitive looking stuff, this isn't it. Anywho, then I have some scraps of fabric. This one I happen to have some denim and a polka dot fabric. I just, honestly, just distress the ends and tie it. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's it. The other one, again, this is drop cloth. I got it at Home Depot. I did a nice thin strip, and I had some leftover denim. Again, I just tie it in a knot. So easy. I can't even stand it. And I love these projects. I'm so there for it. And look at how pretty this is. I love it so much. And I did this I made 3 stars because, I do everything in 3, 5s, or 7s. It's weird. Love me through it. I know. But anyways, I tie it and then I push it up. And if you want to go the next level, you can distress your fabric even further by taking a sanding block to it. Ta-da! Look at how cute. Now, next level further, you can put a little dollop of glue on the bottom and push your little fabric things up, and look at how cute. They're like streamers. Look at how pretty these are. You could use these in decor pieces on your table. Look at, I put mine with my straws. Are you kidding me? I love it. All right, gang, we have some pot holders from Dollar Tree and a duster. We're going to, I guess it's thirds. We're going to fold that duster and we're going to put it into our pot holder. Is it a pot holder? Oven mitt. No, it's an oven mitt. Sorry. And then we're going to just pull down the oven mitt and start gluing the oven mitt to the duster. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go all the way around. I only used one duster because it's so puffy that you'll see it doesn't, the other one, it's just a waste to use it. So all the way around. Easy peasy. I kind of put my hand in there just to kind of move the duster so that it's not as folded, so it adheres to the oven mitt. Then once that's fully dry, make sure it's really dry, you're going to fold it over. Look, it looks like the cuff of Santa's mitten. What? I know. All right. And then I added a little bit more glue just to kind of glue it to the oven mitt. And then we're going to arrange the mittens how we want them so that then you can see that there's 2 when I put some hot glue. And I put quite a bit on, and then I glue them together. Look how cute. Stop it. I mean, stop. I'm not even a huge Santa fan, and this is making me happy. All right, so attach, glue, perfect. Next thing I have from Dollar General, this was from clearance. It was $4, and I think I paid 90% off. So I'm going to cut part of it off. I'm going to take that little tag that says Joy, remove the tag on the back. Come on, Colette. All right, so we're going to put that jute and the tassel that we had. We're going to sneak that into the little hole, and then we're going to just double knot the end so it stays in there. This is going to be rustic. I'm sure that I could have added some serious bells and whistles to this, but I wanted to keep it kind of simple. So there's that. And then we're going to put some glue on our mitten, and we're going to add our little Joy tag and tassel. Look at how cute already. Stop it. We could stop right there. You totally could. But we can't. I can't. It's not impossible. So, all right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just finding, I'm kind of separating the fuzz of the duster, and I'm putting I used a wooden bamboo, and then I'm going to put it through both sides. So see how it's going to go through both of the top so that it is more stable. It lends some stability to the whole thing. So see how I have little pieces sticking out on each side. So I take the rest of that wood bead situation, and I'm going to take some off so that we have enough jute at the end, and we're going to tie each side with the wood beads. And then I'm going to add some more wood beads to our bamboo skewer that we trimmed. And then we're going to put a little hot glue so that they don't come off. And some more hot glue on the other side. Hopefully this is making sense. If it isn't, please ask a question in the comments. I had these cute little, I think these are holly. I just glued some of those on, and that's it. Stop it. Just stop. Look at how cute. Look at how cute this is. I love it. Again, I don't normally do holiday right now, but A, my husband is so into holiday, and B, I don't know, because these are so hot on the internet, I don't know if these oven mitts are going to stick around at the Dollar Tree. So I'm showing you now so you can get them. You're welcome. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.